solo ride. Time check 4:28. Going tayo sa yun ay Iloilo para sa start ng Audax. Sumali tayo sa Audax. Yan, yung distance natin is 200. So good luck. At yun na nga, sumali tayo sa second Audax Iloilo. 200 km distance ang sinalihan natin. Starting from Iloilo City to Hamtik Antique. Ang ruta papunta ay bayan ni Antique at sa bundok ng Hamtik Antique naman ang pabalik. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Coaching tayo ng Pineo 443. Tama lang.
Is everyone ready? Again, welcome to the second Cycle Iloilo, the second ever Audax Iloilo.
5 AM ang release kasama ng 100 saka 200 km. Sumali ako dito ng walang kasama, walang kakilala, solo ride mag-isa. Ang target natin dito ay syempre makauwi ng safe and within the cut-off time. Ride out na. Let's go! Coaching 6, coaching gimbal.
Yeah, I'm so fresh like the morning. Mouth wide open like they yawning. Every time they see me, they in G-Strike. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive.
6:24, dumating tayo sa Miagao, Iloilo. Watak-watak na ang mga rider. Pacing na lang ako.
You can see me like a luminite. You can see me like a luminite. But I'm shining so bright. Don't come and try to share some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up.
Time check 5:49, coaching San Joaquin. Distance level natin 49. Pacing. Pero madilim pa rin. Ayan.
Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender.
Yan eh. Ride out lang ulit. Malamang solo na tayo nito. So dito na yung mountainous rolling hills. Nakadya na. Nakadya facing na. Bahala na. Pero malamig in fairness 24. Mainit. So run at my own pace na lang to. Ang way natin dito is Aninihi. Sa left tayo. Hey! Tayo.
All this time I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do.
Coastal to dagat sa gilid may magandang view. So kasi area ito maraming mga resort ayan, sunod mga resort dito. Sa Pebble Beach, bato, di siya sand. Pero malinis, crystal clear. Kasi bato nakifilter, di ba? Sunod na yan.
Was easy to use, so call my time.
Bundok. Tapos dagat. Puti na lang downhill.
But you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought
Antike. Sa una, picture. Ano ini? Big 48, ano ini? Kala ko, sira yung ano ko. GoPro, nag 1% kanina. Biglo ko lang pala yung battery. Fitted mode muna. 87. Ayos, ang gandang view. Sige. Top ching, Tobas Corner. Top bias. Ganda dito. Lamig. Time check. 9:20. Searching tayo ng Tobias Corner. Second check ko ulit. Second check ko ulit. Okay yan. Tobias Corner. Tingnan ko. Tobias Corner. Ito lang.
Dito medyo sumunod tayo kay sir na naka-Bronton pero hindi naman tayo nag-drop kasi nakakahiya naman. Maya iniwan din ako ni sir sa lakas. Itong section na to actually medyo merong mga nalilito kasi yung checkpoint is around mga 3 kilometers sa unahan. So pagdating mo doon, i-check ulit yung pinaka-card mo. So pagdating mo dito sa area tapos nag-turn right ka pabalik na ng Iloilo, magkakaproblema ka na skip mo yung isang checkpoint pagdating mo ng San Joaquin.
Time check. 10:19. Balik na sila. Watching tayo ng checkpoint. Sunblock. Nag-iinit. Kamutin. Checkpoint. Just for me. Time check. 10:32. Balik na. Unti-unti na lang natin.
Ito yung sinasabi kong section na pag nag-turn right ka, may skip mo yung U-turn checkpoint. Dito, makikita nyo may isang grupo na nag-turn right. Hindi ko lang alam kung tumuloy ba sila o bumalik para makapunta dun sa checkpoint.
Simula ng ahon. Medyo mahawa-hawa to. Ingat, 37. Iya, 1-2 lang. Di kaya, hinga.
Dito, naabutan ko si Sir Alvin, yung naka-Bronton kanina. Dahil taga-probinsya tayo, and first time makakita ng Bronton, yun, lumabas ang ating
Ano,
pagkabanol.
Electric to, sir? Hindi. Ganda ng ano. Brompton.
Ano siya? May secret ano yan? May pinagbabawal na technique.
Ay, may tao sa ano, may tago.
Pero hindi ko, ano lang yan.
Fix. Dalawa, sir.
Dalawa plus yun sa loob.
Okay, may ano siya, may gear. Transmission.
6-speed yan.
Automatic. Meron.
Bakal to.
Time check. Alas 12. Sabi ni sir, naka-Brompton, nakalimutan yung pangalan. Marami pa raw doon. Hintayin natin. Wala na akong tubig. Laspag na. Yung mga laspag, yung init lang talaga. Init po. Punta. Aircon, tiki. Thank you, Lord. Ang hawa.
Pagkatapos nito, konting ahon ulit. Then lusong na naman. Let's go!
White lights sounding off 3 a.m. and no escape. No escape. Walk the aisles, illuminating worlds. Lose yourself inside of me. Rest your eyes, weary from the day. Never mind the mind, that's away. Yeah.
Bandihan. Kanina dito tayo namit ko na ba? Ayan, nandito na tayo. Kain na tayo. So magkape. Ayun check solo. Ang tanda ko. Tayo na. Check! Let's go!
Writing in the margin
Ay, alas
of
dos.
my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning.
Oh, tama, alas dos.
Okay, had a dream I was
158.
just flowing through space till I landed on the record that my grandma would play.
Approaching tayo sa final checkpoint.
Park after rain, what a grass smell green.
Cut
I
up
feel
to, alas dos.
safe. Put the phone
So, one
on,
hour,
let
tayo.
the silence explain. I don't need much just to book in
Isang sabi natin, 154.
chase things that will run from me. Now sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Gotta breathe.
Sabi na hangin.
Let the thought run free. I don't rush
Yeah, yung
on
view,
this, I
ganyan.
just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with troops. Ain't no answers in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch.
Ito lang alam kung totoo. Kasi sinabi sa akin ni Idol Bronton, yung group na yon, yung naka-yellow, is yung hindi nakaabot yung sa checkpoint, yung sa may hamtik, sa may Petron. Kasi nung pagdating dun sa may crossing, umalan agad sila. So, pag-check na dun sa San Joaquin, sa last checkpoint, kaya hanapan sila ng sa card. Wala. Possible. Baka maligo sila. Sayang. Wala kasi yun. Baka mahinang nila lang. Pagod yun. Takot na. Hindi ako nang umahon eh. Sakit na nga akong dyan. Duty. Flyover. Tapos aahon ulit sa puntang lihat. Tapos ang dami na. Ayun na lang.
Peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift, but the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Why the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it
335, approaching Mumbai. 44, Paton. 11 kilometers na lang. 8 minutes to 5. 200 kilometers na. Masaya na ako nun. Lahat na lang isang achievement for me. Mono.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now.
At after more than 12 hours na solo ride, natapos ko ang 200 km na Odax Iloilo sa aking first try. Nakauwi tayo ng safe at within sa time cut.